welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you live from my bathroom. I don't think I've ever filmed in here before, so it's definitely a little bit different for me. But if you follow my blog and Instagram called The Target Girl, you'll know I recently started talking about dry brushing. This is what it is. This is the Eco Tools dry brush from Target. I love that it's a circular one. I've used other ones in the past, but I always go back to this one, and maybe it's because it just fits the best in my hand. But yes, I wanted to talk to you first about the benefits of dry brushing, because not a lot of girls out there know the benefits. And when a lot of women hear the word cellulite, they know exactly what I'm talking about. So before I get into talking about the benefits of dry brushing and then a tutorial of how I like to dry brush, I wanted to mention my blog, because this video is going to be going onto my blog, which is called The Target Girl. This is of course from Target, a dry brush from Target. They have so many other options there at Target, and I know you're gonna love all the options that they have. And if you're not following my blog already, I do have a podcast, Instagram, and blog called The Target Girl. I share so many favorites of mine, whether that's healthy food, clothing, makeup, really anything from Target, because I know you all love shopping there. So definitely check it out if you haven't already. And let's go ahead and get into the benefits of dry brushing. All right, the reason why I'm in this bathroom in the first place is because this is where I do the dry brushing before I get in the shower. But basically what dry brushing is doing is waking up your lymphatic system. Your lymphatic system is really what is getting the blood to your heart and throughout your body, but it actually has a hard time pumping from your ankles up to your heart sometimes and going in that upward motion. So it's really important that we dry brush, because it helps detoxify the body, because when you're waking up the lymphatic system, you're actually letting the blood flow so much easier and getting out the toxins, which can also help with your immune system, which is kind of cool. So yes, we're basically stimulating the lymphatic system throughout our body, so you'll kind of feel a really awesome rush of those toxins leaving your body. So just like any kind of detoxification with your gut, you're actually doing that throughout your body, which in turn is going to help that stubborn cellulite. So with that said, the lymphatic system is the central pumping system for all of our blood and toxins and things like that, getting those out. And it also has to do with, of course, the fat that kind of covers that layer as kind of a protector, I guess I would say. So basically, it is not only going to smooth your skin, it's going to take off all those dry skin cells that we all have, and it's really going to, you'll probably see a difference within a few days of the smoothness to your skin, a different texture, and all of that. But going deeper than the outside of your skin, it's actually helping with that cellulite. So basically, cellulite sits on top, and it's kind of those bumps. If you can imagine maybe like a packaging that you get in the mail with the foam, and it's like bubbled up and packaged, and like, I don't know if this is making sense, but there's a package of foam, if you can imagine that, and there's kind of like little spikes that go up. That's kind of like cellulite. So when you see those bumps, it's really just the layer that really helps us women, of course, bear children, because we need that extra fat and that protective layer. But basically, you're kind of smoothing out the skin, and you're smoothing out that layer a little bit and getting that blood rushing through that part of your body. So like I said, it's going to exfoliate. It's going to help smooth out a little bit of that stubborn cellulite that kind of bunches up. You know, everyone has it. I did want to mention that, of course, I have it. Every single girl has it, especially moving into your later teens and your early 20s and 30s and so on. Your body is going to want that protective barrier for various reasons. So don't feel like you are the only one. It's okay. It's so normal. Every single person is going to at least have some. It just depends on, you know, your body type as well and your genetics. But don't be ashamed of it, girl. You can rock it, as well as those stretch marks. It is normal. But this is going to help smooth out at least a little bit. I'm sure you'll see a difference. I know I sure did, and I've been doing this for about a year, and it definitely helps. Okay, moving on to the tutorial. So anywhere you're gonna, you're gonna start either from your feet or your hands. So I like to start from my feet up, but basically if this is my ankle and my foot, I'm starting this way. And you're gonna be brushing towards your heart every single time. You don't really wanna go down, because that kind of defeats the purpose. We all want the blood to rush towards our heart. So you'll kind of be doing this, and if it is your first time, then you wanna go light and use a light hand, and over time you'll get used to it, and the brush will soften as well. You also kind of want to go in circular motions at times, especially on places like your thighs, your butt, and your stomach, because those are kind of the more stubborn parts and the ones that tend to hold the most cellulite and lymphatic system and all that. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys out, and then I will show you a proper demonstration. Alright guys, I basically am going to pretend as if I'm literally about to step into the shower. It's great to do this before you get in the shower because then you can kind of wash off those dead skin cells anyways. So I'm just starting from my ankle and brushing upwards. And as I'm doing this, you know, brush upwards and like this. I will even start to go in circular motions as I go towards my upper thigh and things like that. And so I know a lot of us women have cellulite on the inside as well, so you're gonna just brush up in circular motions like this. And I'm sure we all have specific problem areas, but you can focus a little bit longer on those areas if you want. Then of course you're gonna do your keep bottom and then keep brushing up. Now once you've done both legs like that, and a little bit more circular motions here, moving up like this. Once you're done with the legs, I like to go to next to your arms. That's kind of the best way to get the lymphatic system going, is to go like on your limbs first and then your core. So first I'm going to, you know, go up. I know some of us women have problem areas underneath our arms, so you can do circular motions there. And you can see I'm still trying to go towards my heart, because that of course is, like I said, where I want to go. I'm not going too harsh or anything because it's just like a demonstration. But yeah, and then I'll do circular motions here and keep doing that. Once you get to this part of your skin, this is always the kind of more delicate part, so you don't want to go too hard. I know sometimes cellulite can be here, or just, you know, you want to continue to brush that towards your heart. So when I do get here, I'm kind of going to start going down this way. Of course, I don't have clothes on when I do this, but that's X-rated. So now you're going to go a little bit lighter when you do get to these parts. You don't want to go to your chest area because like that's not the best place to dry brush, and you're basically going to want to like stop right here. I really only focus on this part of my armpit anyways, just kind of going soft and getting to your stomach. Then you're of course just going to do that same motion. This is one of the problem areas for me, as well as the side. So I'm going to do that, be brushing up, as well as circular motions. I really like to do circular motions on my stomach. As you can see, I'm not circling and going down. I'm circling and going up, and then going to the middle and circling up, and then to the side. And so I keep doing that. I even kind of try to do my back. I know it's not the easiest thing because like your arms move in random weird ways, but I think you guys get the point, and you're literally just gonna do that. Then you can hop in the shower and you will feel like kind of this rush of almost like endorphins, or just like the feeling of the blood rushing through your body. You might have like goosebumps on your legs, which I kind of do sometimes, but like I said, just go easy and light on your first few times, and then you will get used to it. I hope that you guys see results within your skin feeling a lot more smooth, and you know, maybe decreasing some of that stubborn cellulite like I know I saw within my own body. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial with the Eco Tools dry brush. I'll show you guys once again. This is what it looks like, and it is a cute little pinkish purple color. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if it's your first time here on my blog, definitely subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video or blog post. Bye guys!